you doing? Hi, baby girl. Okay, you're done. You gotta get down. But I know you want that fish, don't you? You want that fish, huh? Smell that? Smell that? All right, you guys, hold on. Here you go, baby. Here you go. Go lay down. Go on. All right. Well, anyway, welcome back. We are going to do our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day here at home. As you guys know, the SAP story, gas prices are high, everything's higher. So I think we're going to start bringing back, not all the time, don't panic. I'm still going to show you what to eat out in Vegas when I find some good stuff to eat. We're going to hit out there once in a while, but we are going to bring some more of this food that we're going to try here at home. We're going to be bringing this back a little bit. We got some of these noodles. These are spicy shin noodle soup. Spicy, it says. Spicy! Okay, anyway. And then we got fish in a can with black bean sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, salted black bean sauce.
Yeah.
You ready to try that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, we gotta go. We're gonna cook them. We'll be back. And, yeah, enjoy. Okay, these are the ramen egg noodles. Go in there. That's a big batch of noodles. We got some dried vegetables, vegetable mix. All right. That will go in later. Soup base. Yep. That's all that comes in there. That's it. That's these noodles. All right. Well, let's get them cooking. Okay, we got a new way of making hot water. Tea kettle. Trust me, it's perfect. It's so hot. It's ready. All right, you guys, here you go. Take and pour the boiling hot water into here. Now you wait 3 minutes. Okay, I know this is soup, but Chad and I like ours dry. So I'm gonna put the vegetables in there. I see some chili flakes. Oh, the vegetable mix in there so they can cook a little bit. Okay, right now, I'm just kind of checking on them, breaking them up. I'm testing to see if I like how done they are. I think I'm gonna let them sit just a few more minutes, just another minute or two. Okay, that's the seasoning pack that I put in there. Time to stir it up. I kept a little bit of juice because I kind of want some juice. I'll just give Chad his own bowl and let him have it a little bit dry. But, whoa. That looks like some serious red color. Woo! Anyway, give me a minute to stir it up and we'll see you in the room and try it for you. See what it tastes like. Okay, actually, I just realized that we have, right over here, some homemade roasted garlic that I am going to add to the soup to deck it up a little bit. And these are not homemade, but fried onions that I'm going to put in there. Or shallots. Fried shallots is what they are. Okay. All right. Let me put it in separate bowls for Chad and I to share, and we'll be back. See you in a few minutes.
What are you up to?
Trying to get in this chair so we can try this yummy noodles. Well, hopefully they're yummy. They smell good. They look good. But let's do the fish first. Fish in a can with salted black bean sauce. Okay, so you get 2 pieces of fish, and the black bean sauce is down in there in the bottom. Can you see it on the side right over there? Right there. Anyway, but that's what it is. All right, so we got the fish open.
Yes.
And there's still bones in there. By the way, you can see them.
Oh.
They're very small, so it's not going to hurt if you eat them, but there are a few bigger ones, so I'd be very careful because, I mean, they didn't debone it or anything. It's an actual fish. Okay, so I'm going to set that right there for you. This one I'm going to take because this one's going to have more of a black bean. And there's a couple little, see, there's some bone right there. There's a couple, there's like still some chunks and stuff with some bean sauce in it. So that's how it looks like in the can with the bean sauce. There's the fish. And like I said, they have bones in them, so I'd be careful. This smells really good. So let's try the fish real quick first. And then what you can do, I'll show you what we like to do. All right. So like I said, be careful. That's why I brought the napkins. So there's bones in there. See, there's some, I think this is a bone too. But you know what? Let's try this. Okay, ready? Cheers. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. I like that. It's sweet. Little smoky. Very fresh tasting. I know that it's like been sitting in the can and everything, but it tastes really fresh. Really smoky. Nice and just like, Oh, it goes good with the noodles. I had a little bit of it from the sauce. It was in the sauce. Wow, it goes really good with the noodles. That's what I was going to tell you. You can do that. You can deck it up like that with the noodles. Oh yeah, you got rubber bands in. Braces time. Okay, we're going to try the noodles now.
Yes.
Chad's been waiting.
Yeah.
For the noodles.
Yeah.
They're spicy. Maybe. Mmm. 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 I think they're spicy.
A little bit, yeah.
Woo! Hot. Woo! They're spicy. Mmm. That's spicier, but these are spicy right off the bat.
Yeah.
It gets probably spicier as you go. We can do, if you want, Chad, you can take a little bit of the fish.
I'm already ahead of you.
Oh. Then we can take some of the black bean sauce if you want. Really nice smoky flavor. I like it. Man, that is delicious. Fish in a can. What do you know, huh? What do you know?
What do you?
Not much. Turns out it's really good. Spicy noodles. Nice. Salted. Smoky flavored fish. Daisy. You know you want a little bit, huh, baby girl? Can't have any. Sorry. Goes really good together. You like it? Do you like the fish?
Yeah.
It was really good. I'm amazed how well it is. How well it tastes from a can.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Well, that's going to be it for our
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day.
At home style, trying noodles.
Again.
With fish in a can as well. Very good. I like them both. I recommend them both. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Chad, do you recommend them?
Yeah.
Yeah? You hope you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
I hope they enjoyed it. All right, you guys. Well, anyway, I'm going to finish my lunch. We will see you next week. I think there might be a possibility that we go out next week for next week's video. We'll see what happens. It's going to be pretty soon, though. I'm gonna be able to go out again here soon. Hi, Daisy. No. But anyway, until next week, we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Say bye, Daisy. Doggy approved.